All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're going to take my Galaxy S25 Edge to the next level on the screen. Over the years, you guys know I love matte screen protectors and finally found one, hopefully that's good enough for the Galaxy S25 Edge. There's not a lot of options out there for this phone. So for some reason, it's just not a lot, but they're starting to come. So in the packaging, you get the manual there. You also get, this is an installation guide. So it's pretty simple though, folks. Clean your phone, peel that centerpiece, pop it on. You'll see. It's very simple to do. And then you get this installation tools. So we'll go ahead and crack this open. And inside of here should be dust removal and a squeegee, yeah. And you got a wet wipe. And you got this right here, but I don't typically use those. And you have the dust film. You got a wet wipe, so we'll leave these three right here for now. And then here is the tool that I need. So let me go ahead and lay a towel out here real briefly to get it on here so I can make sure my camera or the phone is like steady. Because remember, I took off my anti-glare, anti-reflective screen protector from Samsung, and I kind of regret doing it. So let's get this here. And again, this is a 3-pack. So we'll go ahead and pop one of these on. Now, my wife does have the Galaxy S25 Edge as well. She got a 512 in the silver color. So I'll put one of those on there for her. But for now, these are kind of thin. And so it goes on like this. As you can see for this phone, it lines up perfectly well to all the corners to the best that it can. So that is how you do that. So you'll take this first piece off in the center, 1, 2, and 3. That's how it's done. So I would say instead of going 1, 2, and 3, well, I guess they have it to where you'll pop this off and go this way and then this way. So it really doesn't matter. But let's go ahead and take this off and then we'll go ahead and power down the phone. Let's power down. And I'm gonna peel off this glass protector, because I didn't really like it anyway. And then we're gonna get the wet wipe. And we're gonna clean off the screen. And again, I just have a towel here to keep the phone stable. That's all, from rocking around. My watch is all beeping right away saying, hey, where's the phone at? So yeah, we're gonna clean this off. And we're gonna use this little guy here. And then I'll use the dust removal tool. And then we'll show you how this is done. I like matte screen protectors, folks. I don't have to have a glass, but if I can have a glass matte protector, that's even more beast mode. So I like this. This doesn't have a cage, but it does have a guide. And I think that's good. So we'll go ahead and get the dust removal sticker here. I can get it off, man, okay. All right. Now, this is the matte side. So this is the side that's gonna go on here. So you'll make sure you peel this one first. You'll peel the center one first after you get this down on the phone. And the center one will be the one that helps keep it in the right orientation or whatever, so it stays seated. So I'm gonna just lift this here, peel the center one. I need to make sure that it's laid down properly in the correct position. It's got a guide, but I still got to lay it down properly. There we go. And now you want to use this squeegee area here. And folks, when you see bubbles and things like this, don't sweat it. Just don't even worry about it. They come out within 24 hours. All right, so now that I've got this portion seated, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up on 2 and I'm just gonna push forward. Just like that. Just like that. And then I'm gonna lift off on 3. Pull this thing out right here because this is what helps keep it in place. And then I'm going to push down on 3. Just like that. So matte screen protectors is where it's at, folks. Really love matte screen protectors. Now I can take this out of the way here. And if you're wondering about the touch sensitivity, like this is already starting to like work itself out. As long as you get, and the way you see if you got dirt in there, sometimes if you just press really hard and then the bubbles disappear, you didn't get any dirt in there. And so now I'm going to fire this back up because I know some of you guys are going to be asking about the touch sensitivity, but there's a setting in the phone where you turn on, you know, like extra sensitivity when you're using screen protectors. So yeah, this is a perfect install, man. Well, not perfect, but there's a couple bubbles that'll need to go away that will go away over the next 24 hours because the phone will be on, the screen will be on. But check that out, man. Check that out. That's a beautiful install. Every angle looking nice and matte. Let's go ahead and put my code in here. All right, phone is starting up. And like I said, it's 2 little spots or 3 little spots. They will disappear in the next 24 hours or so. So the feel of the matte is where it's at, man. It's anti-glare matte screen protectors. I like them a lot. So let's check the fingerprint reader. It's just booting up, so maybe that's what it is. There we go. There we go. Phone's starting up, but the fingerprint reader is perfect. So there you have it, man. A matte screen protector for your Galaxy S25 Edge. I will leave a link in the description so you can grab yours, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.